Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you've heard of earthing or grounding, you might like this sheet as much as I like it. We used my husband's meter to test to see if it provides a path to ground. I also have a grounding pen, so when it touches this sheet, the end lights up, and that shows me that I have a perfect fitted sheet that I was looking for. I also love that it's comfortable to use, and I enjoy sleeping on it. I appreciate that it has 5% silver and it's woven throughout the cotton. It's very pretty. I like this plaid look, and it has 95% cotton. Everything about this sheet makes me happy, and if you're looking to up your game when you're sleeping, whether that be through a new sheet, I definitely recommend this one. I enjoy using this, and so does everyone in my family. I like that it's fade resistant. And even when my kids jump on it, it's wrinkle resistant. And I like that it's made out of durable materials that are finely woven in so that it's not falling apart on me. It's easy to set up. My generic queen size mattress has a really nice fit with this sheet, and it's easy to maintain. I'm able to wash and dry it, and it comes out looking fantastic. This sheet is a win for me. I like that it has a grounding cord. It stays snapped on the sheet when I'm ready to use it. And the other end just plugs in the third hole at the bottom of your outlet.
This works really great for me. I love it, but that's just my point of view.